Today I'm showing you exactly how to send videos in WhatsApp in HD without any quality loss. No blur, no pixelation, no stress. Let's dive right into it. So here's the thing, WhatsApp automatically compresses your videos. That's why when you send that crispy 4K clip, it suddenly looks like it was shot on an itel camera. I'm not saying this to give itel a bad name though. But good news, there are two simple tricks that are going to help you keep your video quality intact. The second one is actually the best, so make sure you watch it till the end. So for the first tip, let's say you want to share a video to your WhatsApp status. Now WhatsApp is often going to compress that video into something that is suitable for it, and it doesn't do a good job, trust me. So what you want to do is you're going to make use of the WhatsApp HD feature. WhatsApp has this HD feature that preserves a certain level of quality in your videos. It doesn't mean WhatsApp is not going to compress. It is going to compress it, but just not as much as it is going to do if you don't set it as HD. So now what do? So you have to send the video to yourself. Click on photos, you send the video to your own personal contact as HD. Make sure that you have clicked the HD check mark. Now once that is done and your video is done sending to you, you can now forward that video to your status. You will notice a great difference in quality as compared to if you do it without sending as HD. Now for step number 2, if you don't want any change at all to your video, you will have to send that video as a file. And how do you do this? You will normally go to attachments, and instead of choosing photos, you are going to choose file. When you've selected file, you go ahead and select choose from gallery or your photo app. Now you select the video. That video is going to be sent as a file, and you will notice how enormous the file size is because it has preserved the original quality and the original file format. If the video was in MOV, MP4, you will see the right extension. Now you can share the video to anybody and download on their own device without any quality loss. And that's two super simple ways to keep your videos clean, sharp and crispy on WhatsApp, whether you're sending to someone or posting on your status. If this video helped you, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more tips like this. See you on me next.